here looking at it.
Yeah, it's right there. We're in trouble here. Hopefully we need to go north. Okay. Mike got developed a tornado right in front of me. Mike Bennett. Okay, Mike, I'm on a dirty, a muddy road here, south of Okima. Got a tornado developing right in front of me here. I'm really, really close to this thing. I got a little closer than I wanted to, but developing a tornado. Let's go across the road right here in front of me. Get ready. Here it comes. Here it comes. Yeah, it's going to be a tornado on the ground right there, I believe, Mike. We had rapid rotation and some rising motion, and here, I believe here comes the vortex right here. I'm not even probably half mile south of this thing, and I'm afraid it's going to probably block my road up here again because it's going to do damage. But anyway, right here in front of me, zoom back out a little so I can get a little, there you go. I don't know if the contrast is any good, Mike, but the mesocyclone's right in front of me, getting ready to cross the road, and I think it may have already crossed, and now we've got yeah, we'll see here, Mike. We'll see here what's going on. My winds are relatively calm right here, so anyway, Mike, we'll just kind of, okay, we'll watch this get back to you. Yeah, Mike, I tell you what, I saw the funnel cloud go over the road. I didn't see anything on the road, okay? I didn't see debris cloud or anything like that. So it may have just been, just a little ways above the ground, but it was definitely a developing tornado. And it may actually be developing to the northeast, but I can't see it because of the trees. But hopefully I think we're got a crossroad coming up here, so maybe I'll have a better option where I can stay with it. Right now I'm on a muddy road. Back to you. Oh,
what was that?
That was a little tree limb down. All right, what I got, Bobby? Where am I going to get? This may actually be blacktop now.
It might be a little further. No, it's still further.
Okay.
We're half a mile from Broadway, West Broadway Street, which is Broadway. You're half a mile from Broadway.
Go north, right, or
going straight?
Okay.
Tree limb
should have got out and picked that up instead of going around it.
Yeah, maybe I'm wet.
There's another one. Oh, that's blocking. We're gonna have to move that one.
All right, I'm gonna kick 4-wheel drive in while you're doing it.
You weren't on 4-wheel drive?
No.
Yeah, because if I have to go in the ditch, go around something.
I say you weren't on 4-wheel drive?
No,
Oh, I can't believe you didn't have 4-wheel drive on.
no. Thanks, guys.
Because you guys are chasing this, I just want somewhere safe.
Just pay attention to what we got going on here. Okay, it looks like it's. Yeah, Mike, I'm on this dirt. I'm getting ready to get off this muddy road here, I believe, and we're just getting. Okay, all right. Finally, I got some visual and stuff here. I'm a little concerned about something to my left here, or to my north here, and so we're going to take a look at this and see what's going on. But we got a little distracted by all the debris and stuff, so now we're just kind of catching up with what's going on with the storm. Back to you.
Yeah, that's
I
pretty
can't
rapid there.
I can't see like where. There we go.
That needs to be watched right there. But the strong part is still.
Yeah, the rotation don't look that impressive right now. You got way too much foreground there.
Yeah, the mesos to the definitely to the northeast of Okemo.
Well, yeah.
But there's something right here in front of us. There's a lot of.
Hey, look at this right here.
That's what I'm saying.
What is that right there?
Tornado.
Yep.
Is it?
Yep.
You can't see the ground.
Yep, tornado on the ground.
Are you sure about
Yep.
that? You see
Yep.
the debris?
See it right here?
Mike, tornado on the ground. Okemo. Tornado on the ground. Okay. Yeah. Mike, this is going to be west of Okemo, Mike, and not very far. It's going to be to the northwest of Okemo, maybe a mile.
2.
Chase partner said 2 miles. It may just go on the north side of Okemo, or just north of Okemo, but it was definitely on the ground. We had a cone all the way down. Yes, on that. Yes, I'm on the highway. I'm not sure what the number is. The highway that goes directly west out of Okemo. I'm sitting on that, and I am I'm 4 miles west, and I'm looking. Okay, so it's gonna be more like 3 miles, Mike, because the tornado is about a mile north of my position right now, and just barely to the east. Okay, so it's gonna be about 3 to 4 miles northwest of Okemo, more west than northwest. Back to you.
Yeah, somebody coming by.
Yeah, I see it. Okay, get right back in there.
With that computer screen, as far as it is, it's hard to
change the angle, so I'm gonna get over here so you got better.
It's gonna be wrapped in rain.
Okay.
There's nothing on the SRE, so there isn't.
Okay, we gotta go.
Probably.
Okay, Mike. Yeah, I'm in Okima right now, looking north, and it is possibly on the ground. We're losing contrast. I had wraparound preset cut us off on it, and I can see a little. I just don't have great contrast right now. It could be on the ground. It possibly has lifted momentarily, but right now I'm getting ready to turn north here, Mike, and we'll have a better shot of it. Back to you. Oh, I got to get this on four-wheel drive.
Don't you have to be moving 45?
No.
No, it's up. Where are you walking up here to us?
Thank you.
Huh?
Yeah, it's been a pleasure following you. Thank you very much.
Oh, okay.
Still
All right.
tracking it up here, yeah?
Do what?
Still tracking it this way, yeah?
Yeah, no, it's going east.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
East,
yeah,
all
yeah.
right.
Okay, gotta go.
Thank you. All the best.
He was recording us. Okay, Mike. Yeah, I had a really nice lightning flash there that lit up the cloud base, and I'll be honest with you, I didn't see anything there. I hope I'm right on that. I hope there's just had another one light up, and we're not seeing any power flashes. I saw the entire cloud base right there, and I can see. I mean, I've got a great spot right here where I can see for miles from the south to the north, and I'm not seeing anything on the ground. We're starting to get heavy rain starting to come in on us. That is probably some wraparound on this, but our winds are actually pretty calm right here, and we're south of Bearden, okay, and southeast of Cromwell, and I'm going to say we're probably maybe 3 or 4 miles south and just barely east of Cromwell right now on Highway 48, and we're just I'm not seeing any power flashes. I'm not getting any RFD winds, and I should be getting some RFD winds right here, but I'm not. And so we're just going to keep scanning the skies. Back to you. Okay, Mike. Lightning has helped us out a little bit more right now, and I'll tell you what, we've got straight north of us and just a little left of the highway. I think we got the camera on it. That might be a tornado in there. Okay, it's hard to tell. I haven't got a good enough lightning flash to light that up, but we're getting enough light.
There it is.
Well, I think we got a tornado on the ground right here, Mike. Just north of us here. I think if I get another lightning flash like that, like we just had there, but it's a little bit. It's either really, really big, okay, or it's wrapped in rain, because I've got a darker area right in there that I can't make any shape out of it, but it's just a darkened area that's a little bit lower to the ground, and I just can't call it a tornado for sure, but we had a lightning flash that sure looks suspicious. Back to you. That's north of me and just a little bit west of the highway here. And I'll tell you what, the cloud base is being lit up pretty good right here, right now. We're getting a really good look at the cloud. It's a low cloud base, okay? But I'm not seeing any vortex on the ground. I'm not seeing any kind of a wedge, anything like that. Our winds are, let me check our winds here, surface winds. I almost say probably 10 to 15, not that strong, out of the south, out of the west, southwest. So, okay.
They're out of the west?
Yeah. I tell you what, I'm a little bit nervous about this right here, right above us here. We're going to turn around and get out of here. I'm a little bit nervous about something developing right here. Because we were in calm winds, and we were right under the updraft.
That big missile up there, it's going to be sucking off
We're just going to back out a little bit.
Winds feel stronger out here.
Yeah, well, now we're back here where the RFD is.
You're going to get trees down here too.
Okay.
Says it's retrying.
Yeah, it's not either. See, we don't. That thing may be way north of us.
Okay.
My radar's not updated, and yours ain't
updated. Okay, Mike. Mike, I need some help here. We've lost data. How far from where's the mesocyclone, the tornado, possible tornado from Cromwell? Okay, all right, go to Tulsa. Okay, yeah, I'll tell you what. Okay, all right, that's where I thought it was, and I will tell you this. I got a little nervous there because we had such calm winds, and I looked above us. We had a very low cloud base right above us, and so when I got south, I went a couple miles south, and now we're getting the west winds that we should be getting. And so anyway, I was afraid I might have something developing right on top of me, and I wanted to get out of there for the safety of our safety and the chase partner's safety. And I'm going to turn back around now. And I've gave myself a little buffer here. And Mike, I'll tell you what. Give me just okay. I think we might have power flashes. Yep, power flashes north of us, Mike. And there is a cone. Yeah,
Coming straight up.
yeah.
Yep.
I think there's a cone coming down right where we were at. But there is, I'll tell you what, get the camera right there. Yeah, that is continuous. Yeah, continuous power flashes.
Right,
it's on the right-hand side of the, yeah.
Right hand side of the river.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, right there. See it?
Yeah.
Big one.
Okay, yeah, Mike, it's, I believe it's on the right-hand side of the highway. We're creeping around these trees right here.
Yep.
Yeah, it's big. It's pretty big. I'll be honest with you, the condensation doesn't come all the way to the ground. I see a big cone in there. I bet it's on the ground. I mean, you know it is. We got power flashes right underneath it, but it's I can't tell how big. That's a pretty good sized cone right there.
You're on the right side
And so we're gonna watch this thing. It's actually it's west. I'm sorry, it's east of Highway 48 now. But we had continuous power flashes. They've slowed down now. They're still intermittent power flashes. But anybody in the path of this, I'll tell you what, there's one right over the highway.
Yep.
Very, very, very dangerous storm. This thing is probably doing significant damage just north of us. Back to you.
There's your radar. Tulsa radar. Rotation.
Yeah, yeah. It's
We're right here.
Yeah, it's right where we are.
We don't have our brakes on, guys. I promise.
It's 4-way. I didn't know.
Yeah, it's actually almost in Okemo. It's probably going through Okemo.
Okay, Mike, we're heading back to, it's pulling away from us. We're heading back towards Wetumpka, going east. And then we got our north opposite of the road we just came down a while ago. And I tell you what, I see a lot of lightning up in there, but I'm not seeing power flashes like we were a few minutes ago. But I mean, the lightning, I mean, it's you know, kind of yellow, and a while ago we was nothing but blue flashes. So that's power flashes.
It probably went through here.
And it may have went through Cromwell. I'm not sure. It's awful close. And also our beard. Control room. Look at my stream. Yeah, I'm west, just west of Wetumpka, looking north. Oh yeah.
We're on Highway 27. Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
huge.
buddy. It is huge.
Okay, Mike, I'm just west of Wetumpka, looking north, and that new rotation that spun up. And I'll tell you what, this wall, I don't know if I had a tornado on the ground there or not, but the wall cloud was practically to the ground, okay? And it's not as tight, it's broadened out. The wall cloud has broadened it out, but it's still pretty low here. But just about 2 minutes ago, it almost looked like a cone all the way to the ground, and that's on this new rotation that just spun up very near Okemo. Back to you. You keep the camera on it. Okay, I think it's kind of spun out. Oh yeah, this Okemo may be in trouble. Out of the west. Okay, we're kind of getting a little
Close.
underneath it now, so.
proceed north.
Yeah, I think.
It's gonna be south. Stay south of Wokey. It's looking pretty impressive on SRPs, but it's not there.
If you look just to the right of the highway, see
Yeah.
that right there? Get the camera on that. Start recording.
It is. Tornado warning for our area.
Okay, they issued a tornado warning on this storm back here.
Storm is coming to us.
Yeah,
Back here by
Yep.
Cornwall.
Which is what we're
it's
on.
west northeast of it. It's northwest of it.
Over here.
Yeah. So that's kind of another little. That's its own little supercell right back here.
Oh, what's that right over there?
Pole.
No. Watch. Oh, okay. It's set. Oh, okay, never mind. All right. Well, actually, it's almost like there's a vertical.
Yeah, I see it now.
Okay, refocus right here, right above the highway. Right above the highway. Look straight down where the curve is.
Mhm.
Straight right there.
Yep.
Oh wow. Yeah, that was a bell-shaped wall cloud right there.